Principal Celestia! You're right! Hang on, Sunset Shimmer, ow! All those people. I forgot about them. I can't. I'm sorry, Principal Celestia. I want to, but I can't. You do? Okay. Maybe I can do it. I can help you, Sunset. Maybe we can do this together. Like you said, there's beauty in the breakdown. I'll be right here beside you. It's alright, yeah. I'm walking right beside you. I feel the way that you do too. Everything feels like it's just too much, but you gotta let it in if it's tough. No, it gets better, push through the weather, let it rain. Let it rain. Don't be afraid, walls coming down. Sometimes it hurts, you'll figure it out. Let it rain. Let it rain, it's okay. There's sun behind those gray clouds. You know, I can't lie. It's alright. Everything feels like it's just too much, but you gotta let it in even if it's tough. No, it gets better, push through the weather, let it rain. Let it rain. Don't be afraid, what's coming down. Sometimes it hurts, you figure it out. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. I did it, Principal Celestia! I did it! I played in front of all those people! What was your dream? Thank you, Principal Celestia. Thanks, Sunset Shimmer.